Hi, I'm Courtney Law, and I'm the program manager for the WIN Mentoring Program. The WIN Mentoring Program pairs early-stage entrepreneurs with a team of seasoned entrepreneurs to help them accelerate through business milestones. Today, we've had end-of-year celebration to celebrate all the successes of our first year, and I'd like to introduce you to some of our WIN participants.
The most valuable support that I've had in my career have been the mentors that have come into my life in the last 34 years. They've instilled courage in me. They've helped me to recognize the skills and the talents that I have to be successful in growing 6 companies. And they've helped me to avoid a lot of mistakes.
I think having people that really take you under their wing, that allow you the freedom to develop your skills to the fullest ability, but yet have you work with them so to make sure that you're not making fatal flaws or mistakes.
The superlative quality of our mentors, and not only are they exceptional people, but they are so giving.
I'd like to say something about the mentors in this program. They're rock stars. Across the board, they're top level people that we've had the opportunity to engage with that if I were out starting to recruit as an early stage startup, would have taken me years to get to this level.
When you see a group of people come together like this, so many people with so much experience coming into the same organization so quickly, means that the entrepreneurs around are really also really wanting to give back to the community and really want to help new young people get started.
For me as a mentee, I gained a lot of knowledge that would have taken way longer for me to gain on my own. Mentors, I think they had, at least I have great relationships with my mentors. They had a lot of fun. They came to our Christmas party, and I think it's a rewarding experience for both sides.
Through their eyes, I see how valuable my experience has been. So it gives me great satisfaction to help train up that next level of entrepreneur, because really, they're all our future.
It allowed me to interact with very seasoned, experienced business people that have some different experience to my own, and in a non-threatening environment, in a confidential environment, to find solutions to business problems that I was facing.
We've been doing WIN for several months now. It's been a very rewarding and valuable experience for our company. I feel like we've learned a lot from the mentorship that we've gotten, and in particular, some of the early meetings that we had.
Starting 6 months ago, my team and I had no experience with business at all. We're scientists and physicians, and we're really intimidated by the prospect of participating in a startup company. The WIN program has been absolutely instrumental in walking us through step by step.
I'm a software engineer by training. My co-founder is a genomicist by training. We don't necessarily know a bunch of stuff about business and how to bring things to market and all of that. And we sat down with our mentors. We kind of went over the thoughts we had at the beginning, and the advice that they gave us was basically key to us being able to figure out how we were actually going to turn a great technology into a great business.
I have nothing but good things to say. They were completely instrumental, and we would have failed spectacularly had we not had their advice. I'm really excited moving forward what we're going to be able to do, and I would highly recommend anybody in academia to participate in the WIN program, because there's just nothing else like it.
When I took on the WIN program, I was really excited about the value that we could bring, the longitudinal value we could bring by supporting these most compelling ventures with an additional layer of support of 3 to 6 very experienced, very accomplished mentors that help them with the business execution.
If you're a successful business person, you've got a lot to offer. Just things that you take for granted can be of benefit to these young companies because they're so green and they're trying to get out there in the world and make a difference. If you're somebody that can fund the program, what you'll see is that as you grow this life sciences ecosystem, you're going to benefit everyone in our region.
Well, if you're interested in helping to build the life science community, if you're interested in having a successful, vibrant ecosystem, you should get involved with WIN.
Being an innovator in life sciences is a huge opportunity to change the world for the better.
We can expect this mentoring to substantially accelerate the growth of the industry and the development of a great pool of accomplished innovators.
If you're interested in participating in the WIN program as either an early stage entrepreneur or as a mentor, please visit our website at lifesciencewa.org.